I'm Dr. Carly Chapman, and I am the primary owner of the Columbia Foot Clinic. ERG has helped us tremendously in the past 2 years. So I inherited a practice that needed to be updated, to say the least, in a lot of ways. So in the first 2 years of practice, owning the practice, I had to learn how to run a business. Then I had to learn how to hire more doctors and support staff. So learning how to manage being a new doctor, running a practice, my own health problems, and be a wife and mom was a lot to manage. So I was talking to a friend of mine who also uses ERG, and she asked me if I had a payroll company, and I said no. And so she recommended ERG, so they reached out, and at the time my practice was not in a very good spot, but thankfully we've recovered, and they were willing to work with us and help us get back where we needed to be, and removed so much stress off of me. Our checks were being handwritten. Our payroll was being calculated by one of my employees in-house. And then I was writing all of the paychecks for the doctors. So that was about 5 hours every 2 weeks. So they've saved me by at least 40 hours a month. Now I can have my staff in more productive positions instead of using their time to do payroll. And it's also really nice to know that I have people who know what they're doing, keeping us compliant legally. And if there's anything that we need to update or we need to do, they help us do it. And their staff is always friendly and helpful anytime we have any questions.